Human performance technology. I'm sure a lot of thoughts and images come to your mind when I utter that phrase, but it has nothing to do with robots. Well, for the most part, or like at all. In this video, I'll explain exactly what human performance technology, or HPT for short, is, and I'll provide a synthesis of why so many in the field of education are placing emphasis on the HPT model. Let's get into it. HPT leads with the most important part of the model, the human, the people. HPT refers to the systematic approach to improving productivity and competence. But people are part of the core energy of organizations. Equipment and financial reserves are important, but people are the heart and soul of organizations. Without labor, there is no value in a company. People purchase the products, they operate and maintain equipment, and they run the basic processes throughout every company. People are behind everything that happens. Human performance technologists, they're real people that go into work environments to analyze and identify certain deficiencies that are existing in current processes. Identifying deficiencies in the process is an HPT's first step to understanding why and how those deficits exist. Then they'll find interventions that create sustainable solutions. Authors of the fundamentals of performance improvement, optimizing results through people, process, and organizations explain the concept of HPT pretty directly. It's to analyze and improve performance. It may sound dry on the surface, but it really is the logical next step in leveraging tools to better our work environments. Humans, we are constantly evolving, getting better, stronger with each generation that comes next. And HPT is evolving how we as humans consider and think about our workplaces. HPT specialists' main goal is to improve the people performance in the workplace. When work environments know they have an issue, they bring an HPT specialist in. The HPT specialist then identifies those performance gaps, forms a plan for a better process, then tracks and reevaluates that plan to make adjustments later and as needed. So we know what HPTs are and what they do. What does it look like in application? Let's unpack some of these processes a bit more. As mentioned before, a company or an entity hires an HPT specialist because they've identified an issue or an objective that they want to target. HPTs will then analyze the work environment to find what's really causing this deficit. Also, the HPT may conduct additional observations as well as interviews in the space to find where that disconnect is really coming from on a people level. The goal here is to talk to the worker in the space to identify the disconnection. Is it a learning deficit? Perhaps there is a need for additional training. Maybe it's a process issue. Perhaps something on the administration level could be refined or even streamlined. Performance resolutions without cause is like a band-aid. Fixing problems on cause? That's like curing a disease. To put a bow on all of this, HPT is a systematic approach to fixing a problem in the workplace, and it puts people first. And it doesn't offer a one-size-fits-all solution. The solutions and interventions that HPT propose are multifaceted in nature because they're instructional and non-instructional interventions. There's a lot of moving parts that need to be considered. The implementation of the solutions takes time and adjusting to find the right fit. As we see, HPT can work in a variety of settings to optimize the productivity and effectiveness of people working there. Human performance technology truly is a multidisciplinary field. It takes psychology, education, and management, and it mixes them in to enhance the performance of human beings. This is why so many people are talking about HPT and emphasizing its use in the workplace. Thanks for watching. I'm V.